When we go to a new location, many of us are food enthusiasts. Therefore, we're usually on the lookout for the restaurants that serve the greatest food in that area. Get ready to experience some of the best flavors El Salvador has to offer, with traditional dishes such as Tipicos Margoth, Polo Bonanza, and more. We did the research for you to produce a complete list of restaurants in El Salvador that are within your price range, so you won't have to. We put all of the results in a single location and rank them according to the total number of reviews they've received, with the more well-known establishments appearing first on the list. Restaurant Don Lee. Enjoy your meal of Asian cuisine in the comfort of this pleasant and unpretentious setting. It's a wonderful spot to have dinner with family and friends, or for a romantic evening out with that special someone. It's a requirement that you sample the soups. Even the most seasoned expert in hot food will have a difficult time with the dragon soup because of its intense heat. Wontons is another dish that you really must get while you're here, and it will go very well with the beef dish that comes with veggies and the beverages that do not include alcohol. The quality of the service is quite high. The dinner was served quite quickly, and both its appearance and flavor were outstanding. Margot Typicos. Known as exuberant and outgoing in French, Margot provides exceptional client service. The cuisine is very delectable. At this family-owned restaurant, you'll find a delicious introduction to Salvadoran food. Before moving on to the antojitos, little plates, you should start with the platanos, plantains. No worries about finding a spot to park, as the lot is well lit and well guarded by the local police. On top of that, there's a bakery directly on site. The ensalada de frutas was a joy to eat. The stalls are spotless, and the attendants are courteous and helpful. Bonanza of chicken. The Salvadorian people have a strong attachment to their go-to dining establishments due to their love of food. Polo Bonanza serves the world's best grilled chicken, period. It is inexpensive, in addition to being juicy, soft, and tasty, which is the greatest part. Simply put, if you're going to visit San Salvador, you should not bring your expensive phone or jewelry with you. Rather, you should come to eat at Polo Bonanza. Los Planes de Renderos El Chico Restaurante. I have never been to a pupuseria that was of a higher quality. They provide a broad variety of pupusas to choose from. This location was wonderful in each and every respect. The property was immaculate, and the aroma was very pleasant. Both the staff and the lady who greeted us were very nice. The server was excellent, and the entire staff collaborated well in order to bring the food and clean up afterwards. The dish was both delectable and recently prepared. The dessert was outstanding in terms of flavor. Excellent atmosphere, and everyone there is very kind and friendly. This is a location that comes highly recommended. La Clasica. Visiting this restaurant will provide you with one of the best opportunities to enjoy pizza in the country. Do not anticipate a flavor similar to that of quick food, because after all, you are ordering artisan pizza. The atmosphere inside the restaurant is warm and pleasant, and they provide delectable food. In addition, they are quite accommodating. The lack of available parking spots is the most significant downside to this diner. Arrive between 12 and 1 p.m. or between 7 and 9 p.m., as these are the times when there will be the most people there. Restaurante La Borriguita del Surtido. This is without a doubt the best restaurant that I've been to in El Salvador. The quality of gastronomy is constantly high, and no matter what you order, you will leave feeling well satisfied. The waiting staff are also very good and never fail to be helpful, kind, and efficient. I can't wait to go again. And anyone who is searching for a fantastic lunch in El Salvador should definitely consider going there. Polos Real Merlio. The food is extremely delicious. The waiting staff were warm and welcoming, as well as knowledgeable about the food, and they provided wonderful recommendations. The atmosphere is one that is kind and inviting. The recommendations for the wine and cocktails were spot on. Where else can you get the most value for your money than right here? Pupuseria Lily. The Antigua Cuscatlan is home to one of the most delicious pupusas in the city. Excellent cookery. The menu is extensive, taking into account the changing seasons, and maintains a high standard of quality. Absolutely a wonderful time spent in the dining establishment. It is possible to spend a lot of money there, but it is absolutely worth it. If you want to eat there, check out the specials for the night you plan to go before you make a reservation. It comes with a very strong recommendation. Le Poutine. You won't find better Canadian cuisine anywhere else in El Salvador than at this restaurant, where you can try out a bunch of different sides while listening to some relaxing tunes. Believe me when I tell you that the food is delicious and the price point is just right for what you get. I've eaten there before. Guys, you should make an effort to go there and eat there. Mexican fusion donkeys, bamboo. We can get to this site in only a few minutes in the car, which is very fortunate for us. Delicious food can be found in both the tapas bar and the restaurant located downstairs. The setting couldn't be better. It provides a relaxing environment to be in. The level of service was satisfactory. The waiter had a great demeanor and worked quickly. I will continue to come here because it was such a great place to spend time online. Oye Chico Escalon. If you're looking for a romantic location, you can't go wrong with this one. The food was excellent, the prices were reasonable, and the music was relaxing. Pink Corona and bacon wrapped shrimp are the best, as are the burger and fries. Both the quality of the service and the setting could not be better. I'd say go for it. Leifong. The meal lives up to expectations. The food is authentic, and the sushi is some of the best I've ever had. The milk tea, bubble tea, and pastries that they offer are all of exceptional quality. This is an excellent place to acquire milk tea and dessert if you cannot consume lactose or are lactose intolerant because everything is made with soy milk. The flavors are very natural, and the prices are very affordable. Because of your location in the central section of the city, you will find that you have plenty of company in the form of tourists. Both the customer service and the speed of the employees were superb. La Tasca. It is a wonderful place to drink, and in comparison to other locations, some of the beers here are offered at a significantly lower price. It would be a mistake to skip out on their cocktails and tapas. Because of its central location in the city and convenient proximity to all points of interest, this property has a genuinely desirable setting. The place is immaculately clean, the service is kind and welcoming, and the food is outstanding. They don't close until rather late in the evening. Cerveceria Chapultepec. Make it a point to stop in at this little restaurant the next time you're in El Salvador. The quality of service is unparalleled in this industry. The team actually cares about how you feel about the service they provide. The food was wonderful, and everything we tried just seemed to melt away on our tongues. During our time at this place, this was without a doubt the most enjoyable meal we had. It is highly recommended. Leo Leo. This frozen yogurt is hands down the best in town, and any visitor to El Salvador should give it a shot. This location serves some of the nation's most delicious frozen yogurt. Everyone agrees that this is their all-time favorite dessert that is somewhat on the healthier side. Although there is only one flavor of frozen yogurt offered, there is a wide selection of toppings to choose from, including a range of fruits as well as scrumptious sweet sauces. The toppings, and especially the sauces, are of the highest quality. And it is imperative that you try the Frutos del Bosque sauce and the dark chocolate sauce. If you're trying to lose weight, the portion sizes are manageable and might help you keep your food intake under control. The service is outstanding, and although the area is limited, it has pleasant air. Sea Bar. This is the best find that could possibly be made for seafood lovers. Authentic ceviche, served in a pub with ceviche as well as excellent shrimp bar. The fresh salmon burger with artisan black bread that has been cooked with squid ink is the best of the best, and there is simply no better place to eat it than here. The one and only genuine sea burger in town, and easily the greatest one. TR3's Chill and Grill. This is the best place to go if you prefer sitting outside, sound tripping, and enjoying the crisp air of El Salvador night while sipping ice-cold beer and eating excellent food. This is also the place to go if you are looking for a location to enjoy delicious meals. It is imperative that you try some of their hallmark dishes, such as their grilled pig tostadas and tacos. Los Tacos de Paco. You really must visit Los Tacos de Paco if this would be your first time there. It's the cutest little eatery, and the food is out of this world. The tacos are fantastic, and then there was fire. The attention that Paco and the boys provided was excellent, and the service that they provided was remarkable. They provide a calming amenity that is accomplished by interesting cultural activities and a bohemian atmosphere. You are going to receive a hearty welcome, and the time you spend here will be one you will never forget. El Barrero Restaurant. The name of this place is already ingrained in the culture of San Salvador, and the establishment lives up to its reputation by providing an amazing time. You will be captivated by the excellent food, which focuses on Colombian cuisine, the unique atmosphere generated by the restaurant's decor, which features a range of contemporary and recycled materials, and of course, the warm and welcoming service that you will receive from the waiting staff. Every single one of my visits to this location has been, in every way imaginable, an unforgettable adventure. I take all of my guests who are visiting from out of town here. Definitely a lifelong supporter and patron. The Cuban Rinconcito. Amazing, delicious, El Salvador's best Cuban cuisine. It is strongly recommended that you consume at least one of the pork masses. Wishing you the best of luck with your lunch. The fact that you will have to wait for some time is justified due to the fact that everything is amazing and freshly made. There is one drawback, which is that they do not offer alcoholic beverages. However, they do have a great non-alcoholic mojito on the menu. Strongest possible recommendation. The entirety of their food is mouth-wateringly delectable, and much more so because of the amount of care demonstrated by the people who own it. A portion of Cuba can be found in El Salvador. This is only a sample of the amazing and reasonably priced restaurants that can be found in El Salvador. There is much more to look forward to discovering. You should be well prepared to try the food at a Salvadoran restaurant. Whether you're thinking about going to El Salvador, or you simply want to satisfy your curiosity about a Salvadoran restaurant in your town.